All right, here we go. This is the last of our homework for the night. Problem number 8 on page 120. First thing you got to do every time, read that problem carefully. So here we go. Johnny is jogging along a track. Poor Johnny. He's already jogged 1 2/3 miles. He plans to jog a total of 3 1/4 miles. How many miles does he have left to jog? Thinking about this? Let me read it again. He's going to jog on a track. He's already jogged 1 2/3 miles. He plans on jogging a total of 3 1/4 miles. How many miles does he have left to jog? Okay, thinking about that bar model, how are you seeing it in your head? The total distance he's going to jog is 3 1/4 miles. He's already jogged 1 2/3. Again, we got to figure out how much is left. You could draw this on a track. You can work this any number of ways. As long as you can see in your head what you're supposed to do. If I know the total and I know a piece, to find the other piece, all I have to do is take out the piece that I already know. So I've got 3 1/4. And I'm going to take out 1 2/3. And just like everything else in life, we got to figure out what our common denominator is. We've worked a ton of problems with fourths and thirds, and we know that we're going to go straight to twelfths. So to turn a 4 into a 12, we're going to multiply that by 3. What we do to the bottom, we must do to the top. On our thirds, we are going to multiply those by 4 4/4, so that we can turn them into twelfths as well. My new problem is 3, because I'm not messing with my whole numbers. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to take away what he's already jogged, which is 1 mile. 2 times 4 is 8. And 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, I've got the same size pieces. I'm ready to roll now. 3/12 minus 8/12. Can't do it. So what do I have to do? Just like any other subtraction, if I don't have enough in this place, I go to the next door neighbor and I'm going to have to borrow one. So I'm going to take one of my 3 whole numbers. That 3 becomes a 2. Now, how do I put this into, I've got 1 whole, how do I put it into a fraction? Well, 1 whole, if we're talking about twelfths, is another 12/12, isn't it? So now my new number is 2 wholes. I had 3/12, and I'm going to add that 1 whole into this place. So 3/12 plus 12/12 is 15/12. It's so improper, I know. The world won't like it. Okay, don't need to do anything to this one. New problem is 2 15/12 minus 1 8/12. Now I have enough pieces so that I can subtract. 15/12 minus 8/12 does give me 7/12. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So, Johnny, the jogger, Johnny has 1 7/12 miles left to jog. Poor Johnny. And with that done, I'm going to tell you good night. Thank you so much for watching this. This has been kind of fun for me, and I know it looks probably silly and horrible, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night, kids.